if your kitchen water faucet is doing this, it's making this noise, this one here, it's time to replace it. So I got myself a new one. So this is the one I got from eBay. I'll put a link in the description. It's very similar to my old one. So it's brushed nickel and it's got the hot and cold. Feels pretty heavy. It actually seems like it's heavier than the previous one, and these pipes are pretty long as well. So it looks like you don't really need that many devices or equipment to connect these two hot and cold pipes. You go to the bottom of the faucet and just screw that in. You just got to make sure that you pull it through this connector for the bottom part, otherwise you won't be able to get it through when you install it in your kitchen. I'll show you how to do that later on. This one here, you just need to turn it when tighten it all in at the moment. So just make sure that the cold is on the right hand side and the hot is on the left hand side. So remove the two pipes from the old connection. So from the bottom where the water inlet's coming in from, just remove the two pipes. Very easy and straightforward. The process to remove and install the new one is very straightforward. I won't show that in this video, but this is how it looks like when it's been installed. Works really well now. You won't hear that clanging and rattling noise.